Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys an eyebrow tutorial using the Anastasia dip brow. I'll be using Anastasia products, Tarte products, and Benefits. So let's get started. This brow routine, this is like an updated brow routine for you guys that I'm supposed to been do. So let's get started. So these are my natural brows. They've grown a lot, if I might say. So first I'm going to use the Benefit Browvo conditioning primer. You guys know I love this primer. Put that on my brows. And then you just wanted to let it dry. So you see how this made my brows appear thicker. I sometimes wear this alone, like if I don't wear makeup, I just throw this on my brow to make my brows look fuller. It's worth the money. I think it's like 28 to 30 bucks. I'll make sure to have the price, but I'll make sure to have the prices down below and also the link down below for you guys, so you guys can check the products that I'm using in this video out. Y'all, I have the worst headache ever. That's why my eyes are low. I'm not high. My head just hurt. So yeah. But I'm just gonna wait until that dries. Until then, this is also how I prime my eyelids when I do eyeshadow and stuff like that. So let's get started. I'm gonna use the Tarte Tape Shape concealers in the shade Tan Sand and Deep. So this is what they look like. Do concealer first instead of afterwards. I just find it easier for me to carve out my brows first. And I learned this from Viva Glam K, I think her name is, because she, like on one of her little tutorials on Instagram, she did her brows first. I mean her concealer first. So this is the mixture right here, Tan Sand and Deep, if you guys can see. And I'm going to use my Sigma Concealer F70 brush. And then I just wait until it dries just a tad. And then I'm going to blend the concealer out with my Morphe E8 brush, if you guys can see that. So for me to set the eye, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I need another one soon. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. And I'm also going to take my Anastasia brush in the number 7B. This much, you don't need this much. And I just put it on the back of my top. So when I need to do my brows again, it's already on there. So first I just start making my hairs in the front. Start combing, like putting the product in there. And then I do my tail, like that. I'll follow the line at the bottom of the brow. Probably should have arched my brows, but it's okay. And then I go kind of to the front, like I start right here. And I personally go a little above my actual brow. And then I just color the rest in. And bam. Basically, this is it. And then I take the brush I used earlier and just comb, but like buff the front. Because I like mine to look more hair-like in the front. Y'all, my head hurts. So. Like that. And just comb. Brush the front up. And then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. And this is also in the shade Chocolate. So we're gonna take this. And I love this stuff because it helps tint my brows to a nice brown because my hair is like 5 different colors. And it also makes my hair look more hair-like my brows look more hair-like. And then for foundation, like the top part, I usually, well, I gotta do the other brow. And then I usually take some foundation and clean it up. So I'll show you guys that in just a minute. So now you guys are gonna watch me do this brow fast. Now the brow is done. So I'm gonna take some foundation. I'm using the Beauty Bakery foundation. So we can do the top of the brows. And I'm just gonna use this DOCOLOR brush. And we're just gonna sculpt, like paint the forehead first. And I mixed 17 and 15 from that brand. And then I'm just going to take my Coastal Scents brush and just blend that in. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated brow routine. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, do not forget to click the bell so you guys can be notified for whenever I post a video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this like mini tutorial. And I'll see you guys in my next video.